Types of quadrilateral. Today, we are learning how to classify different types of parallelogram. Now, parallelogram are a type of quadrilateral and they look like this. They have two sets of sides that are parallel to each other. But there are actually many different types of parallelogram. Sometimes parallelogram called rhombus and sometime called rectangle. Now rhombus look like this. It is also a parallelogram. It has two sets of parallel sides, but in addition, all sides are the same length. And we can show that by putting one of the dashed lines on each sides. So that's rhombus. Now, what about rectangle? Well, a rectangle looks like this. It has also two sets of parallel sides. But what makes a rectangle special? Well, it's angles. Rectangle has 4 right angles, which we will be shown with square angle sign with each corner. There will be another type of parallelogram. When we combine the different properties of rhombus and rectangle, you will end up with square. Square looks like this. It is also a parallelogram. It has all sides of the same length. We use these dashes to show this. It has 4 right angles. We use the square angles to show that. There is one more type of parallelogram. Is this one we looked at? It is also a parallelogram because it has 2 sets of parallel sides, but its sides length are not same, not equal, and it does not have any right angle either. So this does not have any special name. We can call it as a parallelogram. Now we have all the possible names of a parallelogram. Let's do this together. What type of shape is this? How many sets of parallel sides are there? As you can see in this figure, there are 2 sets of parallel sides, this and this. Now, does this shape has any right angles? No, there are no right angles in the corner. What about the sides length? Are they same? Yes, all sides are of the same length. So, when you have 2 sets of parallel sides and all sides are of equal length, then we call it as a rhombus. So, this is rhombus. Here's another problem to practice for. What type of shape is this? Well, how many sets of parallel sides does this shape has? This shape have 2 sets of parallel sides, here and here. Does this shape has right angles? No, this shape has no right angles. What about the side lengths? Are they same? No, all the lengths are of different length. So, this shape has 2 sets of parallel sides. What can we call this shape? Remember what we have studied? Shapes only have 2 sets of parallel sides are called parallelogram. You do. Look at this picture. What type of shape is this? It has 2 sets of parallel sides, 4 right angles. So it is rectangle. Last problem for you. What type of shape is this? This is, yes, 2 sets of parallel sides and 4 right angles and all sides equal lengths. Yes, this is square. You have learned how to identify different types of parallelograms.